Commanding in size and fierce in nature, it's easy to marvel at the golden eagle. But for the people in the rolling hills of the nation of Kyrgyzstan, these birds of prey are not meant to be admired from afar. They're places right at home, where they're adopted as members of the family, molded into expert hunters and loyal friends. Here's ABC's Gloria Riviera.
From the sky, the golden eagle is one of the most lethal hunters on the planet. On the ground, in this rugged corner of Kyrgyzstan, it seemed like everyone we met, from grown men to young boys, had a raptor on his arm or his head. But these eagles aren't pets, they're partners. Kyrgyz men have been hunting with golden eagles in these hills for untold generations. But today, trying to find a real eagle hunter still able to use the bird as a weapon was harder than we thought. Even though I know this eagle is trained, I'm nervous. But soon we both relax.
This is a strong animal. Feels like a very strong animal. And these talons through this thick leather glove, you can still feel them.
An eagle's wingspan can be 7.5 feet. Think of an NBA player and add some. Their talons are strong enough to kill a wolf.
Oh, that's as sharp as the edge of a knife. That is really sharp.
In these rolling hills, Kyrgyz boys and eagles grow up together. They carry eagles and falcons on their shoulders as young as 6 or 7.
Are you scared? Have you ever been scared? They're so big.
He says, of course I'm not scared. I trained her all by myself. That little boy could be the next Talgar. Once Tamara escaped, Talgar searched the skies, but she was gone. Days later, she flew back to him on her own, and she's stayed ever since. It's all the proof we need that this pair is the real thing. For Nightline, Gloria Riviera, ABC News, Kyrgyzstan.